Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth video of our CloudTalk onboarding series. In this video, I'm going to talk you through the ins and outs of acquiring new numbers, as well as porting existing numbers into CloudTalk. We'll start with number acquisition, how to select your country and area code, submit the necessary virtual paperwork, and how long you can expect to wait for your number. Next, we'll dive into number porting, exactly how to go about the process of making a number porting request, the information you'll need to include about your old provider, and the approximate length of time that the entire process will take. So how do you acquire an international number on CloudTalk? It all starts with making a request via our dashboard. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll find the Numbers tab. Once you've opened it, you'll see a Buy a Number button at the top of your screen. Clicking it will initiate the number purchasing process. You can also use this button to exchange your initial testing number for the number you want to use long-term. Just let our team know in the notes section of the order form that you are switching out your number. On the next screen, you'll be able to select the country for which you'd like to acquire a phone number. CloudTalk offers international numbers in over 160 countries worldwide, so you'll have plenty of options. Next, you'll get to choose the type of number you'd like to acquire. CloudTalk typically offers 4 distinct types of numbers: local, national, mobile, and toll-free, though availability of certain numbers does depend on the country in question. For example, if you would like to send SMS messages to your contacts, you'll need to sign up for an essential or expert plan and get a mobile number. For the most up-to-date information about our coverage, feel free to check the link to our country coverage page linked next to this video. If you have specific calling needs, take a look at our country coverage page and country-specific virtual numbers pages. They'll have all the information you need to know before making your purchase. For the final steps of this process, you'll need to choose your area code if you're requesting a local or mobile number, select the number of phone numbers you'd like to request, and add any additional notes or comments in the text box at the bottom of the form. For example, you could indicate that you'd like to exchange your current number for a previous number, or swap out the number that was assigned to you during a free trial for a new one. The second you click the order button, your request will be sent over to CloudTalk's number allocation team, which will work to get your request filled as soon as possible. Please note, while every customer should expect to hear back from our team within 24 hours, we make no guarantee that we can deliver your new number to you within that time frame. CloudTalk acquires numbers for customers via a manual process, and there can be a high degree of variance in wait times country to country. We appreciate your patience as our agents work to fulfill your request. We should note too that some countries have more robust sets of regulations surrounding phone number acquisition than do others. Submitting virtual paperwork may well be part of your number acquisition process for certain countries. Furthermore, our geographic numbers pages will specify whether or not we can supply local, national, or mobile numbers for a particular country. In case your desired number requires proof of ID or proof of address, our numbers team will send you a follow-up message right away specifying the documents we'll need from you. Now let's get into the nuts and bolts of number porting. Number porting requests can be made via direct email exchange with our agents. There is no order form for this process. Porting a number means that it will be fully transferred from your current provider's network to CloudTalk's network. It will no longer be active on your old provider. In your initial number porting request email sent to porting@cloudtalk.io with the subject line porting request, you'll want to include the following information: the number you wish to port, the current provider from which you'd like to port your number, the range holder or underlying carrier. If you're coming from another VoIP platform, your service provider will likely have another underlying carrier that they're using, the name of the person or company with whom the number was previously registered, the address of the person or company with whom the number was previously registered. Take special care in ensuring these last 2 points are filled out correctly. Incorrect information regarding the name and address here can result in significant processing delays. A copy of your last bill associated with the number you'd like to port. This serves as a proof of payment for our agents. For more information about how to ensure an issue-free porting process, check out our recommendations for a smooth port article linked next to this video. Once we've received an email from you with all this information, our team will take steps to verify that the number you've requested to port is in fact portable. We'll then send you an official letter of authorization template, which you'll have to fill out, ideally with the help of your current provider. Once you've had a chance to review, fill out, sign, and send back the letter, we'll get started on porting your number. Estimated delivery times vary from country to country according to bureaucratic processes. Costs can also vary drastically. To get a base sense of what you ought to expect regarding pricing, have a look at our number porting pricing table, also linked next to this video. Please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team should you have any lingering questions. In the next video, we'll cover how to set up a call flow and business hours. Thanks for watching. I hope it's been helpful.